Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Marshall Middleton wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings and delete all of the pairing history off of it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not connecting to your phone or not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth or not syncing with the app. If it keeps disconnecting, it seems to be not responding, etc., etc. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just any situation where you want to delete off everything that's been paired with in the past and just get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so that we can just go ahead and set it up like a new device. This will not actually delete the firmware, any firmware updates, but it will wipe everything else off of it. So the first thing you want to do is just go on your phone or devices and delete it off of there, because when we set it up, we're going to be setting it up like new. But anyways, without further ado, to do this factory reset, all you need to do is make sure that your speaker is on, and then you're just going to press and hold the Bluetooth button over here for 7 seconds. And basically all of the indicators and everything like that will turn off, and then the speaker will actually restart. Just basically keep holding this button until it restarts, and it will restart into its factory default settings. You can go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker. If this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.